Here we can see the LED is blinking with the help of 555 timer. It's a 555 timer astable mode. The LED is flashing. To do this thing we need a breadboard, 500K variable resistor, a 555 timer IC, 220 ohm resistor and a 1K resistor, LED, long terminal is a positive of the LED. Also need 100 microfarad or 10 microfarad capacitor, long terminal is a positive of the capacitor. Finally we need some wire. First connect the 555 timer in the middle part of the breadboard, and pin number 4 is connecting in the positive rail of the breadboard, pin number 1 is connecting in the negative rail of the breadboard, and short pin number 4 with pin number 8 of the IC. Also short pin number 2 with pin number 6 of the IC. In pin number 7 we add 1 kilo ohm resistor, and opposite side of the resistor is connecting in the positive rail, and pin number 7 we add a wire, and opposite side of the wire is connecting 500K port, and middle pin of the port is connecting in pin number 2 of the IC. Long terminal of the capacitor is connecting in the pin number 2, and positive terminal of the LED is connecting in the pin number 3, which is output pin. Now ground the LED with 220 ohm resistor. Now connecting power in the circuit. Now you can see the LED is blinking. By changing the resistivity of the port, we can change the duration of blinking. Now you can see the LED blinking faster. Now open the 10 microfarad and add 100 microfarad capacitor. Now you can see the LED blinking slower. So we can change the duration of LED blink by two ways, by changing the resistivity of port or changing the value of capacitor. So if you learned something by this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.